Upgrade your kitchen with smarter, faster, and healthier cooking that saves both time and energy every single day. Best Air Fryer Oven gives you crispy, golden results with little to no oil, perfect for guilt-free meals. Bake, roast, toast, and fry, all in one powerful appliance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cosori Air Fryer Oven. The Cosori Air Fryer Oven stands out as a powerful and modern solution for families who want faster, healthier, and more consistent cooking results. Equipped with innovative turbo-blaze technology, this model delivers an impressive 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed and temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring food comes out crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The upgraded 5-fan speed system provides greater control over airflow, allowing you to fine-tune cooking performance depending on the dish. Whether you're preparing fries, chicken, vegetables, or baked goods, the 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit precise temperature control ensures even cooking and reliable texture in every bite. One of its most impressive features is the premium ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray. Unlike traditional non-stick surfaces, the ceramic coating is highly durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean, making daily cooking much more convenient. The spacious 6-quart square basket offers enough room for family-size meals while maintaining a compact footprint on your kitchen counter. Despite its powerful performance, the unit operates at under 53 dB, keeping your kitchen environment peaceful even at high fan speeds. Health-conscious users will appreciate that it uses up to 95% less oil compared to deep frying, delivering the same golden crispiness with far less fat. Overall, this air fryer oven combines speed, efficiency, quiet operation, and family-friendly capacity into one dependable appliance. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Oven. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Oven is a versatile multi-cooker designed to handle everything from quick snacks to full family dinners. Combining air frying, roasting, baking, toasting, and rotisserie functions, it transforms your countertop into a multifunctional cooking station. The dual-speed fan circulates 360 degrees superheated air, producing evenly crisped and golden results without the excessive oil required in traditional frying methods. This makes it ideal for preparing healthier versions of your favorite comfort foods. With its generous 26-quart capacity, this oven is perfect for households that frequently cook for 4 to 6 people. It easily accommodates a 12-inch pizza or even a 6-pound rotisserie chicken, making it suitable for gatherings and holiday meals. The stainless steel exterior adds a sleek, premium look to any kitchen, while the elegant French doors open smoothly with a single pull. An interior light allows you to monitor cooking progress without interrupting the heat cycle. A particularly thoughtful feature is its automatic toast shutoff system. The countdown timer ensures perfectly browned toast every time, preventing burning and improving consistency. Indicator lights clearly show cooking status, making operation simple and user-friendly. Overall, this model delivers a blend of power, space, and aesthetic appeal. For families who want restaurant-style versatility and capacity in a countertop appliance, it offers impressive performance and convenience. Number 3. CHEFMAN Air Fryer Oven. The CHEFMAN Air Fryer Oven is a compact yet highly capable countertop appliance built for convenience and versatility. Designed to air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and even rotisserie, it eliminates the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. Its rapid air heating elements cook food quickly and evenly without requiring preheating like traditional ovens, saving valuable time during busy days. With a 10-liter capacity, this model is ideal for small families or meal prepping. It can handle generous portions while maintaining a manageable footprint. The oven includes 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie spit with a retrieval tool, and a drip tray, providing everything needed for varied cooking styles. The 17 preset cooking options simplify operation, making it accessible even for beginners. Its capacitive touch control screen is responsive and easy to navigate. Health benefits are a major highlight, as it uses up to 98% less oil compared to traditional fryers. This allows you to enjoy crispy favorites with significantly reduced fat content. The interior light and large viewing window make it easy to monitor progress without opening the door and losing heat. Overall, this air fryer oven offers balanced performance, intuitive controls, and multifunction convenience, making it a practical and efficient addition to modern kitchens. Number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven. The Cuisinart air fryer oven delivers premium performance with the reliability expected from a trusted kitchen brand. Powered by 1800 watts, it features multiple cooking functions including air fry, toast, bake, convection bake, broil, grill, and warm. This wide range of options makes it suitable for everyday cooking, as well as more elaborate meals. Its spacious interior can toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken. The adjustable temperature dial and 60-minute timer with auto shutoff provide precise control, while the toast shade selector ensures consistent browning. With a temperature range up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles both delicate warming and high-heat crisping tasks effectively. Air Advantage technology optimizes airflow through its top fan and heater assembly, delivering fast and crispy results while locking in flavor. The included accessories, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and ceramic non-stick reversible grill/griddle add extra versatility. The stainless steel interior simplifies cleanup and enhances durability. For those seeking a well-built, multifunctional air fryer toaster oven with dependable performance and solid cooking capacity, this model stands out as a strong, long-term investment. Number 5. Midea Air Fryer Oven. The Midea Air Fryer Oven combines elegant design with high-performance cooking capabilities. Featuring Cyclone Air Fryer technology, it cooks up to 25% faster while using up to 90% less oil than traditional fryers. Its convection system, powered by 1 strong fan and 6 heat tubes, ensures even heat distribution and eliminates the need for preheating when using the air fry function. With a large 26.4 quart capacity, this oven is well suited for families. It can fit a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or up to 14 chicken wings comfortably. The French door design adds both safety and style, featuring anti-scald construction for secure handling. A large LED digital display makes temperature and time adjustments straightforward and precise. Offering 10 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, reheat, slow cook, dehydrate, and warm, it provides exceptional flexibility. Temperature adjustments in 5-degree increments and time settings in 1-minute increments allow for accurate cooking control. Included accessories such as a crumb tray, air fry basket, baking rack, and baking tray enhance usability. Overall, this model delivers a strong balance of capacity, precision, and aesthetic appeal, making it a practical centerpiece for modern kitchens seeking versatility and efficiency. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.